Hello students, welcome to my channel Engineers Academy. Kindly like the video if it helps you. Now I am going to solve this particular problem. So in this problem it is said that the wing nut B of the collapsible Buxa is tightened until the tension in rod AB is 200 Newton, right? So we are given that this AB rod is in tension, right? So this means that this AB rod is having forces in this direction, right? These two ACE and BDF members are applying the forces on this AB rod in this direction, right? That is outside, right? So this means that as a result this AB rod is in tension, right? So it is said that determine the force in the saw blade EF and the magnitude F of the force supported by pin C, right? So this is a cutting device, right? So as we know that this saw blade will cut until and unless this is in tension, right? So this means that this EF blade need to be in tension as well, right? So this means that this BDF member and this ACE member will apply the forces on this EF blade in this direction, right? So that to keep this blade is in tension, right? So if this AB rod and this EF blade is in tension, so they will apply the forces on this ACE member in the opposite direction, right? So to this AB rod will apply the force on this ACE member in this direction, right, as a reaction. And similarly this EF rod, this EF saw blade will apply the force on this ACE member in this direction, like this, right? So in order to keep this AB rod and this EF blade in tension, this CD rod will apply the force on this ACE member in the opposite direction, like this, that is towards the left, right? So now if I draw the free body diagram of this ACE member and if I consider that ACE member for equilibrium, right? So we will have this diagram, right? So let's say that this is that point A, here is that point A, here is that point C, right? Somewhere here is that point C, and this is that point E, right? So as we know that this is that AB tension which is equal to 200 Newton. This is given, right, that this is 200. So this is 200 Newton, and this is the force supported by that pin C, right? So let's say that this is F force, right, and this is the EF force in that saw blade, right? So now if I apply the summation of moment about point E equals to 0, and if we assume that the counterclockwise moment is positive, right? So now as we can see that this F is producing the counterclockwise moment about this point E. So I will write F, and the perpendicular distance of this force F from that point E is how much? So it is given as 160 mm, right? So I will multiply this F with 160, right, and this force is producing counterclockwise moment, so I will write plus with it, right? And as we can see that this AB force is producing the clockwise moment about that point E, so I will write minus. AB magnitude is 200, and the perpendicular distance of this AB force from that point E is this 80 plus 160, right? So this is 240, right? So we can write that this is 240 mm, right? So this will be equal to 0. So from this we can find the force supported by that pin C. So that F is equal to, this is 200 into 240 divided by 160. So when we calculate this, so the force F is 300 Newton, right? So F equals to 300 Newton, right? So pin C supports 300 Newton force, right? Now if I apply the summation of forces along the x-axis is equal to 0, and if we assume that this is our positive x and y direction, right? So now if I apply the summation of forces along x, this is our positive direction, right? So as we can see that this EF is acting in the positive direction, so I will write EF. This F is acting in the negative direction, so I will write minus F, and F magnitude is 300. And similarly this AB force is acting in the positive direction, so this is plus 200. So this is equal to 0. So from this we can write that EF is minus 100 equals to 0, and we can say that EF is equal to 100 Newton, right? And as we know that this EF force is tension force, right? So we have to write T with it, right? So this is that tension force. So this is the force supported by that pin C, and this is the EF force in the saw blade, right? So this is the solution of this particular problem.